So I recently bought the DJI Neo2 and I wanted to check it out. So I took it down to Brighton to see if it was any good. Was it? I'll let you decide. So I parked in my TentBox GO on the seafront down Madeira Drive. And it cost me £11.60 for 24 hours, which was awesome. I met up with some old friends before I decided to pop down to the seafront and using my DJI Fly More combo, decided to check out what this could do. As you can see, first of all, it took a while to get used to the controls, especially having the goggles on. But after about 10 minutes of practicing, this is what I got. Check out this footage and see if you want to buy one of these bad boys. Didn't take too long to get used to the controls, but as you can see here, it's got no problem with flying over water, not like the first generation. It can move along so smooth. And it can turn really fast as well, and I didn't have the sport mode on. With the FPV goggles, made me feel like Superman. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you decide to buy the DJI Neo2, then that's fantastic, because I would highly recommend it.